It was our third lecture. So in last lecture we have discussed about the classification of economic system. We got a basic ideas. So we will continue from here. So there is a dual society, a class divided society, and what are the classes? They are rich and poor. So rich capitalists are the profit earners and they save a portion of their profit. Poor are wage earners. So uh, you can see that here is an equation given. So let's see, take this pie. The total profit reaped by the capitalism, and S is any fraction from 0 to 1. So this is the total saving of the capitalist. Because poor can't save, they are the wage earners. So consider a closed economy predominantly based in laissez-faire. So in laissez-faire there is no government intervention, and in closed economy there will be no export. So you can say that saving will be equals to investment. So we from the earlier equation we can replace S and we will get I equals to S into pi. Let us define this capital output ratio. So K is our capital and Y is our output. So we can say that K equals to Y into V. So if we differentiate K, we will get Y into Y dash. What is K dash? Actually, for practical purposes, we can say that the change in the accumulation of capital is due to the investment. So investment leads to the change in capital. So we can say that I equals to K dash. So we can write K dash equals to S into pi. And what was our K dash? It was K dash equals to V into Y dash equals to S into pi. So we bring V downwards, and now we will substitute by V equals to K by Y and bringing Y over here. So this will be our Y dash upon Y. This is our change in our output. So it gives us the growth rate. So we can say that growth rate is directly proportional to the pi, and we substitute this by small pi, that is profit rate, profit per unit of capital stock. So you can say that growth rate is directly proportional to the small pi.